XXX guys, welcome back to the channel, and if you're new, welcome to you. Haven't done that intro in a while, but yeah, I guess start hard. But anyway, today we at Westside Garage. I'm gonna review especially E30. All I can say when I get Maphorisa, I'm gonna get Madumane, guys. But anyway, guys, let me get to it. As you can see, Westside Garage. Let me focus. Wait, I'll just rotate. So this is what they offer at Westside Garage: panel beating, dent and spot repair, polishing, detail. Hey guys, you can read. I know you can read. And they just finished painting this car here at Westside Garage. Bmw M4. Freshly repainted here at Westside Garage. Still busy cleaning it up. Hey, but you guys know how to paint, innit? Quality. Just have to get it cleaned up and then it's on its way to the customer. Yeah, sapela briga matata. Elimo when we review. Bro, it's door. Etena mo tsana. Go nya Elimo RS. But why lira mo ga re le tla. And yeah guys, finally the pod you all have been waiting for. Finally we can start with the review. I don't care if I'm blurry. When I look at that, just look at our cameraman. But just look at that. Julie sweetie, Joe, the eyes never lie, Pujo. So yeah, I don't think I have to do like an introduction to this car because I've like done so many E30s, but just in case you're new to the channel, this is a BMW E30 aka Botsot A25S3. This is a original 325 BMW. I'm not sure like in terms of the bodies because some of them are usually conversions. As I was saying, majority of the BMWs that you see with the 325 badge, some of them are actually 318s via the VIN, or 318, 316, 320, whatever the case, because 325's bodies are actually hard to find, like 325 body with the VIN being 325. So this one is a straight from start to finish 325. So yeah, let me get back to what I was saying, guys. So I get 325 like 100% complete 25, not a current join, beautiful E30 guys. As you know, bottle cap stepped, you can't go wrong with the stepped bottle caps. And also this color, I don't know what's the name of this color. All I know, this car was painted here at Westside Garage. As you can see, they're currently painting in there, but this car was painted here by Westside Garage. Beautiful color guys. And as I mentioned earlier, I mentioned whose car this is, so I hope you were paying attention. But on the exterior wise, this is how the car looks like. Clean, dirty, lovely. And now back to the front. Can't go wrong with a lip, guys. And the valance in the front, well, I don't know if that's how you pronounce it, but this is essential for E30. This lip, it's like Conor McGregor without his beard. This is essential. This thing is low. Yo, well, this car was actually on bags, but now it's no longer on bags. It was on bags now, but it's a perfect ride height, not gonna lie to you guys. Even though I'd take it more lower, like it's all at those 2 fingers, cause I like a barinyan. And now let's get to the interior, guys. Beautiful leather seats, which you are welcomed by. Oh, also the car smells very good. But you're welcomed by beautiful leather seats on the inside. No cracks on the dashboard. That's how you know fresh E30. Power window. Oh, this used to be for the bags, but they're non-functional now because no more bags in this car. This car's static. I wonder if you can actually take this car to 240. Ash. So yeah guys, as I was saying, I hope if you can actually take it to 240. But let's get to the engine bay. Let's get to the engine bay. I hope that's what some of you want to see. Also me, I don't wanna lie to you. So let me not break, like do what you call it. I don't know what's that term. And once you open the bonnet or the hood, you're greeted by a beautiful M20, guys. M20. I'm not sure if it's a 2.5, 2.7, 2.8 or 2.9 stroke. I don't know, but M20, that's all we know. Whether it's a B25, B27, B28 stroker, B29 stroker, we don't know. Oh, also 4 power pipe exhaust, like the entire system is power pipes. The entire system. Let me show you the sticker. Power pipe. Oh guys, and there's also sound in this car. There's also sound. I'm actually gonna start the car now in a few, so you can listen to the engine and stuff, and also hear the sound. Here's the amps. I don't know much about sound, but the sound is quality. Okay, let me quickly start it for you guys so you guys can listen to the, what you call it, power pipes. One thing guys, always when you start, make sure the car is not in gear, otherwise even I always step the brake. I don't know why, it's just how I am. That's what I always do. But what's all to Joe? Yeah, that startup. I should have kept quiet. Power pipes, guys. Power pipe. Just listen to that. Mamela Joe. Mamela. 2.5 M20 connected to the power pipe. Power pipe is the way. Also TNT. Yeah, because I've heard the TNT and the power pipe. Both of them sound good to me, not gonna lie. So let me give you guys a revenyana, just a small rev, nothing too much. Because like I said, it's not my car. Just like me on it. Hear that. Yeah. M20. This thing sounds good, guys. Last one before we kill it. Oh, let me quickly play the sound, but last one. That's how she sounds. Listen to that rattle, guys. On the inside, it sounds a lot better. I'm sure you can't even hear it. As I was saying, guys, the sound quality of Eden, quality show. Yo, listen to that. Mamela Joe. Bmw E30, and then with that I think we're somewhat done with the video. There's nothing much more I can record. But yeah guys, I hope you guys like, share and subscribe and enjoy the video. My man. Yo. Alright, we're done guys, we're done. Yeah, accepto? Hold the pizza.
Ya, ke mo re tlile reka di oli byanong tsa di botsotso.
Ya,
Ya,
do it ra mo di battery mo Maphorisa.
guys, do feel le
Go go ra reka di battery mo ki ka bza re gile di yo ga ma se 4 mo la mo president. Ah, wa tshwana.
Let's go flow,
O na ka mo.
it's putting you on guys.
Yeah.
You all listen to Police music. Then you wizard botsos I tell her ya go guy, sure.
Ona sa go
What did he?
re tla ba ra o lata toilet bona o kitima bjang o jele mabelo o jele mabelo kore rena ya le tleng le rekeng guys kore go fitlha ka mo ba welcome ka di-bonus go tla ka mo tshepo tebogo o welcome ka di-bonus ena le tshepo di-customer you are welcome guys
Yes. Aska van Boer.
yeah